Okay everybody, I'm here with my 2006 Nissan Titan XE 4x4 and I'm changing out the motor on my washer fluid pump. The other day I went to use washer fluid and thought the line was frozen, but it turns out even now on a nice warm day the fluid is not flowing, so the pump has died. I'll say up front, if this is helpful to you, please like and subscribe. It really helps me. This will apply to any Gen 1 Titan 2004 to 2015. And the pump looks like this. This is the old one I just took out, and here's the new one. There's two different rubber pieces. This is the old one, the stock one. This came with this Chinese one I bought. I may end up just putting the stock rubber grommet back in there, but the pump is located on the front of the washer fluid reservoir here. If I shine that down in here, I hope you can see, yep, there's a little hole down in there. And the pump is going to be sitting in it kind of like this, with an electronic connection in top. And then on the front here you can see there's where the washer fluid line was plugged onto that goes up to your spray nozzles. So some people with bigger hands may need to take the airbox out. You can see I just unclipped mine, moved it off to the side, and that took care of clearance for my hands. But if you have bigger hands, you might want to just take the airbox off all the way. I was able to use a screwdriver and reach down in there and unclip the electrical connector. Be careful with that not to break it. And then I also was able to reach in from the side and slide the line to the sprayers off. At this point, fluid's going to start running all over. You might have a bucket to catch it. In my case, I'll just start fresh. I don't want to dump something that went in a bucket back into my reservoir. So then I was able to reach my hand in the side here like this and wiggle on the pump and get it to slide out this direction. And then I turned it and levered it out. Then I took a screwdriver and slid the grommet out. But like I say, this OEM grommet looks a lot nicer, so that may be the one I end up putting back in there. So when you're done, reverse steps, put the grommet of your choice back in there, slide the pump back into it, turn it vertically, and plug in your line to the sprayer and your electronics. I like to put a little dielectric grease on there just to make sure the connection is good and solid, and then refill your reservoir with fluid, and you should have, once again, the ability to clean your windshield. So there you go. If you have questions or comments, I always respond, and I ask that you like and subscribe if this was helpful to you. And most of all, do this one yourself. The dealer will overcharge you, and this is not hard at all. It took me 10 minutes maybe in the driveway. Thanks everyone.